Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to accept payment only from MasterCard and Visa card in Stripe, in WooCommerce checkout, in WordPress. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work, and we are using this plugin, Stripe payment plugin for WooCommerce. If you want, you can use this. So we are going to accept payment only from MasterCard and Visa card in Stripe. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see WebToffee Stripe, so click on it, and then you see general setting, and then you see multiple options, so click on credit debit card, so click on it. So we are in credit debit card, and then you see multiple options. Now you see allowed card, you see question mark cover on it, and then you see message accept payment using selected card. Icon of the chosen card will be displayed at the checkout. Discover diner, you see multiple options, but we are going to only accept payment from MasterCard and Visa card. Remove all. Now you see, and then you see MasterCard. Again click on it. Now you see Visa card. Now you see to edit, and then click on save changes. Now settings saved, and then you see we selected two card, MasterCard, Visa card. So in this way we only accept payment from MasterCard, Visa card in Stripe, in WooCommerce checkout, in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.